Hello guys, here's Madame OK. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being a part of it. If you enjoy watching the videos, please don't forget to subscribe as well as to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye! Look. Hello, today I want to teach you how to paint a beautiful seascape. The photograph was taken at the Slave Lake during the summer and I think the sky looked so wonderful that it's definitely interesting to depict it. So let us start. We will begin with the sketch and for that purpose I will use lots of water on my brush and one of the transparent paints, and I choose to use ultramarine blue. So again, lots of water on my brush, a tiny bit of paint, and I decide for the positioning of the sky to the water. So since the sky is really looking so beautiful, I will say the line that divides sky from the water should probably go a little bit lower. And then I can see a couple of hills, and again I will use the transparent color, one of the blues. This time I'll use bluish green color and I'll just move it a little bit along the horizontal line, and I will make a stain, yeah, and maybe just a little bit on the other side. Maybe just a little bit of the land just on the edge here. From there we want to proceed with the line depicting clouds. So I think the one going down, maybe another one here, and that will be another one coming there. I will continue with palette knife. So I will choose the diamond shape palette knife and I will apply, believe me or not, just white. And I want to have the white there when I will see my clouds. And especially on the edges, upper edges, for sure. On the bottom, those clouds will be darker. So I can leave this part lighter and I will continue with the horizon line, just a little bit above, applying a little bit of the white. Why I'm doing it? Well, I want to make sure that the blue paint that will be applied on the top will nicely blend into it. I will take a little bit of blue and I will place it in those upper sections of the sky. And I don't want to have just one color, so what I will do, I take a little bit of white and I will mix it with my ultramarine blue color, but then I think it's not a perfect color for me because it's a little bit too strong. It's very bluish, so I add a little bit of the black into it, but very small amount. And then with this combination of the colors, I will go on the top, there where I have this V shape, representing my pure sky without clouds. So, as you can see, I'm going right next to the edge when I have my beautiful clouds, and I make sure that it's a natural move from the surface of the clouds to the sky. I'm applying a little bit of the purple into my blue, and then I will start with darker colors on the bottom. If necessary, I will also add a little bit of the black. So I have blue, ultramarine blue, black and purple. And that's what I want to create on the bottom. See, like this combination. Beautiful clouds, thick, moving. The colors here blending nicer. In the second brush will come to play, but not yet. A little bit of the purple here. That's good. And then we are going right away into the water. And into the water again we have a number of colors, but I want to use this bluish green with some of the cayenne color, and I will go and apply it on the surface. This palette knife really helps me because I can very fast establish the smooth surface. A little bit of the purple. As long as the paint is not dry, I'm making sure that I create ridges on the water. Okay, and then going back, it's darker, darker, darker. More even. It's time to bring some pink. So you see what I do? I work with palette knife, creating those beautiful reflections, those ridges on the water, and I think they will add to it beautifully. And then I'm adding also a little bit of the paint that I found here. I thought it was a buff color. It's actually not buff color, it's the silvery goldy color. It's definitely iridescent color, and I think to add to the water. But then I have to use brush. So for example, I need to have those mountains in the back indicated. So I'm going there. Not too much, not too little again. The another thing that I want to do is to mix some white with my cayenne or cyan color. I don't know how to pronounce it. What would be the right way to say it? And definitely coming on the bottom and working on those clouds. Yeah, then I'm also looking at the sky and I think, does it have to be so white? Probably not. So I'm changing the color a little bit. Then I can come back to my clouds and work on the bottom of them. Get this nice transition. And bringing up, whatever I have to bring up. The same on the water, very gently. So this still has to be changed, this cloud. But it will sense it between. A little bit of yellow. But I want to get on the bottom part. And then back to the clouds. So with palette knife I can make these nice movements, have strokes that are flat. Still want to get this part flatter a little bit to represent my sky. Definitely. I want to have a little bit lighter on the bottom. Just on, it's darker but lighter than the other parts. And I want to come to the water with a little bit of the yellow. Now with this white, I will come inside and I will create the clouds. There are a couple of things that still need to be completed. So I noticed that the clouds have to be a little bit more on the brown side in some places. So what I will be doing, I will be using the color called burnt sienna, and I will apply this color right there. Not too much again, just a little bit with the brush this time. So again, a little bit. And I like to use also sometimes even my finger to move the paint because I don't want to have it too much. And somehow, believe me or not, brush is extension, I would say, of our fingers. So what it means, we have more control by using our fingers to paint. So now with the water, let me see, I want to push a little bit of the different color on the bottom. Then I want to have the same color, so I'll project that on the water. And I want to bring the water level a little bit higher on this side. Repetition of what's going on the top with that what's going on the bottom. Oh my, that's a very nice color combination. Look at this. Yeah. This is our cobalt and ultramarine blue mixed with green, and this burnt sienna color adds to it so well. See this? It's a crazy sky. A little bit of this color coming on the bottom, and this would be our bluish green color. I go back to it and just apply it on the bottom. We definitely need to bring this color as in other sections of the water. Slightly changing our color so that the water will very much reflect the craziness of our sky. So this whole section has to be lighter. So now just put the paint on it, and I think that will resolve the problem. The sky has to be lighter on the bottom part. I would like to add, let's see, I think this is okay. Maybe just a touch of this color. And then we have the other color here. Just want to get it softer. Just a touch. The crazy clouds. I think that should be okay. See, I still want to have a little bit of those two colors mixing together, one on the other side. Perfect. Now I think it's really done. Have a good day. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.